The poor boy honestly pushed open his parents' door. I saw 2 old donkeys, a male and a female, in the bedroom, but no sign of my parents. Strange thing is, the 2 old donkeys have no intention of attacking, just whispered and walked to Chunxi's side. "Rub your head against him," and rubbed it on his face. She panicked instantly, yelling at my parents. Inside and outside, search all the front and back of the house. I didn't even see half of the corner of the clothes. Only these 2 old donkeys suddenly appeared. His hands and feet were weak and sweaty. A heart-wrenching thought popped up in my mind. These 2 human donkeys. Could it be that my parents changed? He was shaking all over, choked up, and asked if you are my father and mother. If yes, just nod twice. The voice just fell. That 2 old donkeys immediately nodded their heads obediently. In the morning, pounce on it and hug the donkey's neck, crying in the dark. I kept complaining about why my parents became like this. Honest family is poor. Only 3 acres of thin land. By farming, I go up the mountain to dig for herbs, gather firewood for money to make a living. Parents are old. An old problem. It's hard to walk, daily eating and drinking. It's all up to him to serve the medicine and soup. Just because I have to take care of my parents. He is 35 years old and still alone. Didn't even say no. Parents are full of guilt. I always feel like a drag on my son, secretly wipe tears at night. Even want to die early? So that his son can marry and start a family. Junshi is a famous filial son in Shilibaxiang. Patiently persuade every time. My parents have you, so I have a home. You keep me young. I will raise you old. Stop thinking. But he never expected. Overnight, parents turned into old donkeys. Sad is useless. Life has to pass. Serve the 2 donkeys as parents in the morning. Mow the tenderest grass every day. Feed warm water. Get up at night to keep out the wind in the donkey shed. Amikusa, these 2 old donkeys don't need to be driven. Before dawn, you will go to the fields to clear the wasteland by yourself. Busy from morning to night. Hard work day. Day after day, Junshi's family opened up several acres of wasteland. The grain harvest has doubled. Slowly save money. The family has completely improved. Matchmakers come to the door. Not long. Chanshi married a woman from a neighboring village and became a family. The days are getting more and more prosperous. Junshi bought another donkey to do farm work. The 2 old donkeys are too old to work. He keeps it in the backyard. Dunton monosodium glutamate Don't let me do any work. Devoted to providing for them. The wife Chun Tao is dissatisfied. I feel that it is a waste of food to keep 2 free donkeys. Many times clamoring to sell. Honesty. Dare not tell the truth. Just say that these 2 donkeys are our benefactors. Must die. No one can move. Genthao's surface promises, but I have a crooked idea in my heart. Half a year later, Chun Shifa came to find him. Say that the deep mountain goods business invite him to run the sale. Chun Shi wants to earn more money so that his parents can enjoy happiness, and he agreed. Pack your bags and go. Before he left, he told me everything. Let Chun Tao take good care of the old donkey in the backyard. The 3rd day after Chun Shi left, Chun Tao's brother came to visit. Keep running to him to sell donkeys for money, said Chun. She was stupid and wasteful. Chun Tao was already dissatisfied. Secretly contact the Outer Spring butcher in the season. Sell 2 old donkeys at a low price. Take the money and go to town to buy jewelry and satin. Squander empty clothes. A few days later, Chun Shu's trip was delayed by heavy rain. Rush home in the rain. The first thing I do is rush to the backyard, but found the donkey shed empty. The old donkey is gone. His eyes were red, questioning Chantao like crazy. Chantao can't hide it, so she says she sells donkey food. Chun-Shi collapsed on the spot, crying my heart out. Can't take a break. Run to the butcher's house immediately. But the butcher said the donkey meat was already sold out. The donkey skin was sold to the town's leather craftsman, Lao Zhou. Chun! She rushed to Lao Zhou's store again. There is only one donkey skin left to protect the waist, and a pair of donkey skin leggings. The rest have been sold. Chun-Shi held these two objects and cried bitterly. Jia Lao Zhou has pity. Gave it to him for free. He regards waist protection and leggings as his lifeblood. Locked in a sandalwood box, touch and talk every day. Never willing to wear, 2 more years. Jianxi made a fortune from the mountain goods business, built a new house, but I never forget my parents. Late at night, a group of masked robbers climbed over the wall and entered the house. Holding a big knife to smash and grab money, Jianxi got up when he heard the sound. The robbers rushed into the bedroom in an instant. In a panic, he grabbed the waist brace and tied it on. Put on leggings. He was held down before resisting. The robbers rummaged through the house and couldn't find the cash ticket. In a fit of rage, she tied him with twine. A cave by the cliff of the back mountain of Ludao. Ask for 200 taels of ransom. Push off the cliff if overdue. I was imprisoned for 4 days and 4 nights. Didn't eat or drink, shivering with cold. He overheard the robber discuss that there was no ransom in his house. Silence at dawn. He was desperate. My hands hurt from being strangled by hemp rope. Can't make it at all. I can only hold my waist and cry silently. Concede that you will die. Just then, the donkey skin waist protection suddenly gets hot. The hemp rope at the top of the list was actually scalded. Surprised and delighted in the morning, pick up the waist fragment. While the robber is drunk and asleep, move quietly to the entrance of the hole, looking to escape from the cave. He accidentally kicked a rock. Wake up the robbers! The robber chased after him with a knife. Hungry and tired. Fall after a few steps. The robber is in front of you in a blink of an eye. Raise the knife and you will chop. Critical juncture. The donkey skin leggings on the legs suddenly exert force. Feet become so light. It's like it's flying. Easily shake off the robbers, completely out of danger. After standing firm. Leggings broken into strips of cloth. The waist protector is also completely cracked. Honestly know that it was my parents who appeared and saved me. He collected all the pieces of donkey skin, begging all the way. Got home after 3 days. But the house is a mess. All valuables were removed. The neighbor told him. Gentao heard that he was kidnapped. He'd already taken all his money and eloped with his maiden brother. Chun-Shi was disheartened. Put the donkey skin fragments in a sandalwood box, buried under osmanthus trees in the backyard. I hope my parents will be buried in peace. Strange things happen quickly. Where to bury the box? A sapling grows in 10 days. It grew into a towering tree in 2 years. There is a warm hole in the middle of the trunk, just enough room for an adult. The villagers say it's a 0 tree. 3 more years. Food overwork becomes disease. Can't afford to be sick. Doctors are helpless. On his deathbed, he confessed to his distant nephew. Don't use a coffin when you die. Put it directly into the tree hole for burial. Be sure to keep an eye on this tree. The nephew complied. Put the dust stone in the tree hole and bury it. After the mourner leaves, dust stone in the tree hole. I can clearly hear the gentle voices of my parents. Son, parents have always been with you. This tree hole is the arms of parents. You sleep peacefully. Close your eyes with a smile in the morning. When I opened my eyes, I stood in the hall of hell. Lord Yama stared at the book of life and death. Livid face. Don't wait for him to ask for help. The rat demon that the little ghost is attacking. It turned out that the rat demon went to the Chon family to ask for incense. Parents are poor and can't get good things. The rat demon holds a grudge. Secretly tamper with the book of
Cast a
life
spell
and
to
death. Trap the souls of the old couple in the donkey. The two elderly people suffered. Lord Yama was furious. The season ordered the rat demon to be sent to the endless hell. Immortality. Then pick up the pen and change the order. Your parents are dying. Instantly restore the body. Extend your lifespan by 40 years. And your sense of filial piety
Extend
will
lifespan
move the
by
earth.
50 years.
Immediately return to the sun and spend the day with your parents. Kneel, honestly. Thanks again and again. Open your eyes again, sitting up from a tree hole. The sun shines on you. I turned around and saw my parents standing under the tree. Still familiar? Walked towards him with a smile. From then on, the family of 3 depended on each other. Mutual respect and love. Life is peaceful and beautiful. Safe and smooth, no more suffering. Filial piety comes first. Be kind to your parents. Keep your kindness in conscience. After going through ups and downs, it will be favored by the sky. Filial piety must be rewarded.